In this lesson, we will understand what is DAX in Power BI. So it is data analysis expressions. Consider it as a collection of functions, operators and constants to create calculations and data models in Power BI. So let us see its features, data types and other concepts. Okay, so it is a formula expression language in Power BI. You can perform calculations like arithmetic, statistical and logical. You can also define relationships. Okay, analyze and summarize the data using its functions. So it has the following two data types mainly. The numeric ones are the following, and it also includes your string and binary objects. DAX enables you to create custom calculations in Power BI. Okay, it includes your calculated columns concept. The common DAX functions are the following, like you must have seen these functions before also. For logical, we always have if, and, or, not. Aggregation, sum, average, to find the average, to find the sum. Date, time. Okay, text. Okay, text includes your concatenation and other such functions. So you can easily add the following calculations like calculated tables, columns and measures. Okay, create calculated tables easily in Power BI. Let's say we want to combine some tables, then the calculate tables concept would be useful. This will allow you to display the students who got maximum marks in a subject using the calculated tables concept. Then we have the calculated columns concept. Okay, you can easily add a new column to your table using this concept. It calculates results by using DAX. And the DAX measures in the end. This is used for data analysis. So in the upcoming lessons, we will understand these concepts one by one. So guys, in this video we saw what is DAX, its importance, its features, what data types it includes, and what are the common DAX functions and concepts. Thank you for watching the video.